Welcome people, welcome once again. And I know it go. Critical thinking, you see it.
876, you don't know. Yeah.
Restart.
Straight. Hey, I want to tell you, say, yo, big up everybody we're lucky in for the past couple of days. So, me I say, last 2 or 3 weeks, same way. Still a rock with we. All I new subscriber them, but the grassroots subscriber them, big up for themselves.
Yeah, man, full respect, you know.
Ah, you know,
Full
so see
respect,
show
man,
Gwaan, you know? Big up on yourself, just big up on yourself, man. You see me? Oh, grassroots, since we did that, so. Sergi, big up yourself, you know. You see me, I say? Old dog, one time, man, big up on yourself, you see me?
What's the upcoming Earth Strong
second? Yeah, man, them
more
a
year
share
for the fuck
about Earth Strong in a month, you know?
You see?
Yeah, man, and them and they ever drop comment same way, so you don't know. I just say they are one family, man, one community,
respect,
you know, go?
man, you see me?
Yes.
876, critical thinking, big up yourself, and the big up baddest thing.
So what you know why people always say Jamaica is not a real place? I feel incidents like these. Now, a few days ago, Brown man, we can't call him other name because I don't even know any other name. You see me, I say,
Everybody call him Brown, man.
everybody call him. I don't even know the man name. Oh, Alfonso something. What the boy the name? The next madman, L.A. Lewis, he need to go confirm say Alfonso in name. I tell you what the dopey say, because L.A. Lewis saying collecting dopey say. Tell you where the dopey name the L.A. You see me, and nobody hold it to yourself. Now hear me I say, people. You know, we have 3 stories around Brown man head chip off and crash out, as the youngsters them a call it. You see what me I say? First story, the madman himself.
Plus the ball and power of the man tool.
Okay.
100 rounds. Plus the ball and power of the man tool.
Okay.
100 rounds. Plus the ball and power of the man tool.
Okay.
So you see the 2 boy now will get gunshot that they ride him, other friend. Them are an innocent man. So when him shot Alfonso, you know, when Alfonso shot Maga man, him drive off. That after 7, look at tip to 7. So by 7 o'clock, him go crashing on the wall. Beam auto parts places. So you understand?
Yeah.
So now for this and that, like weird down, so I just drive off, then him go lick it at the wall and then I must say go hospital, drive go hospital.
Okay.
So no man now shot no man for no egg. So is
I'm more on that. I'm more to that. I can't man.
Where you can see, sir.
Power over.
the man the more of a car and a gun. Yeah, cause but the police them really never want to kill Alfonso AK Brown man, them do I just carry me in.
Stupidness.
So when the man about talk about town police better than Doug and Mandeville police, not like that.
Not like that.
You know a man who famous
Not
and
like that.
the police them still give him respect because is that a man who shoot people or kill.
Hey, I'm telling you the same thing. Here are 3 police we shot out on the edge side. No. Nothing like that. You go and talk off on the mouth and think of what you want to think.
Listen, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
whatever Brown man did, or whatever him was thinking, it don't matter to me. I tell myself this for me, I look like you don't know. Say,
You can't
any
not with
man
police.
plan to challenge his state,
Yeah, man.
this thing gon' get.
Yeah, man.
Any
Yo.
man at all.
Yo.
You see what I'm not valley? You see how much body them bun.
Come
You
on,
cannot
man.
challenge the state, brother. You see how much shot there and say Brown man out. It's when you run out of them shot there, you know nobody fi call and say, yo, watch out for this one shot.
There will be no one coming to his rescue. They will tell him, say, boy, you idiot. You see outside of your yard. And if you have a whole army for a few side, we don't come down there. See?
I look for the police side now. Them fire have whole shot to them, they have them can call a Maypen. So watch out, we need
more rounds and ammunition.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Maypen done, then can call a town.
But let me show you why.
And if the whole of Jamaica done, what they can do.
To your point, me say L.A. Lewis have sent one video out there where him seen thing there, like him go there before the police them forward, see? You see him police them where you tell me say they look Bex like they next day. Like they go for RI. So what you know? L.A. Lewis have charisma. The one thing man do, I go chat out the police them and make
You
sure
know, see
police.
man going a yard with the police them over there.
Oh, a styling use.
That, you know?
Styling use though.
Yeah.
And you think that you
You
are
know, see
LLOS?
my police them, they have to work, you know.
I mean, I tell them, say, not like, and start sweet the police, them bro, early, hey, and Michael Kyle teach you that from my wife or kids to watch show. Zane, but charge it, a psychological effect. So, he's not a madman, to your point. That's what I say, bro.
Alright, watch out. Let's see if you don't remember, it, all the people usually use again, so you have to look up it there. But they have my original laugh for one youth way. When I in family usually use against him. Well, my uncle usually use, and he wants any mash up. Like him I say, yo, what speed you know? Watch him go to shoot off like a bullet. Watch this, you know. Charge him, charge up, you know.
Watch out. Watch out.
So they you
Come in, my nephew.
Yeah.
Come in, my nephew.
Seriously, when you go and come back quick?
Yeah.
I say, yeah, watch how fast speed you go to do this and come back, man.
Watch out. Down a shop. 2 Mataran, 1 ginger beer.
Who you know right now stay so said way. Right now as we speak.
Old dog, I one of them.
Jesus.
Oh, we just big you up. Big up yourself again. September, man. September, man, them general, man. Yeah, man.
Old dog, craft, man, you're a big man, man. You have it. After you done your pre-say, but you know, it's a craft, man, craft.
World peace. I'm going to check in for them youth, then them man, they craft all the window.
Yeah,
wicked. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
but believe me, I didn't style there. Psychologist. You know, man. Listen, me now. Back to the theme point that we ended up saying now.
People, just a man who come share some bread and do him things, and the police have themselves that probably one of them knows that he about. Most of the police have him as a good youth.
Okay.
Yes. So that's why them never really want to kill him. But when the soldier them come, remember you know.
And pause and the dip on the screen, 7 man.
Good now.
But when the soldier them come, remember you know, over 2,400 rounds them pick up out of the house, whatever fire yet.
Bumbo, I hold my pressure, I hold my car, you know.
That means a sales agreement that. Plus the gun, the rifle I'm a boss is a militarized rifle, so you know it's that dealer. That's why you see now the youth them in a man, they will look up to him now. Because them say, alright, at least he's not dead like a punk.
Alright.
You understand?
Ja, no star.
Yeah, man, so him name me say, I'm going to check it out. Because I know I'm not going to margle for it. And then the people in the year know the Maroon Emperor already. So I'm jumping at the year now, come back at Christmas.
Which is right, that's true.
Yeah, man, but him same name Alfonso Wilson. You know you them rapper crapper. So when you do your investigation is prompt.
That's true, man. That's how we understand. We always make sure we get some solid info.
Hey, cut that.
Yes.
That's my man on the
we name critical thinking. A few information never prompt. Rapper.
Rate dog. He's a genuine youth, you know.
A rapper we know you have to see this now, no. A the dog this where they reach out to you, man. Yes, man. CM Smokey, one general. You know where you go. But anyway, that's what L.A. Lewis had to say. You see me I say so. Following them something they now. Zane, him have one militarized gun rifle, so him is a dealer and over 2,400. Make we just confirm up that with where the police statement say no.
But me really feel if I'm more than egg.
More than egg.
Yeah.
That's how one statement to be believed. Drop in a comment what you think. Make we just confirm up real quick where the police statement have to say compared to where L.A. Lewis statement just say.
This morning with a traffic accident along the Caledonia
Kind of
Main
low.
Road. The traffic officers responded to this traffic accident. However, so soon as the officer got to the scene, he quickly realized that the driver of that vehicle was suffering from gunshot wounds. He was rushed to the hospital and he eventually succumbed. Our antennas went up right away, high and wide, and it led to our operational response in terms of our investigations. This led us to Caledonia road where we experienced over 4 hours of standoff from barrage of gunshots being fired at the police from this particular address. The police were very persistent in trying to get this individual to surrender. However, all those efforts failed. The building was subsequently breached, and the police, these joint efforts between the JCF and our counterparts at the military, led to them entering the building, conducting the search, and found the suspect injured. He was taken to the hospital, and we learned that he eventually succumbed to his injuries.
And I just realized the call. You see, problem why the police them not going ever really face justice. They do no fuckery. And the problem why was in the justice system all get so locked up and clogged up. You see, there must have been a police commissioner unseen to a Gwaan. A man say, well, a 4 hour. So at the end of the day, one brown suit or somebody. When they come from me and my yard, one brown suit there. I no shot them in a fire. Someone shot a fire. One bigger heads must have did it, right? Him for the so attack. Means him did a governing police them on spot. So the thing them do. And me blame stop on my book on me, right? Yeah. When this man are coming as a contact, you see if he say anything wrong, you can't really charge him. You can't really do him nothing. Him just a speak for him and with the panic long.
What you said before that? What you said before you start all of that?
Say all of this? That they not go get really
justice.
Justice not go come towards them if them do anything wrong.
I matrix people. I just take a chance to show you that it happen all the while. I never notice when you see when MP I come speak on a graduation, you still when they send one look a representative type of nigga. Yeah. Whatever promises we can make to you pitney them. You can't hold me to a next man heard.
Yeah, if I disbelieve when Trump says some fuckery and they have a press conference, you see female they use come out all the while, ever notice a one pretty look good female.
Yeah man. Yeah, man.
He appeal to AI in that first thing, you know.
Pretty, she look damn good.
Yeah, he appeal to other females too. If say, alright, I want woman attack. If I want man go up, they go tell certain type of lie. It's easy for discredit him and say, you a lie, you tell brother.
Sorry, man. Yeah, man. That's a boy.
But him always go up there, she always go up there, say some things where.
And they just fly past all the head, you realize, can't get it pretty.
Yeah, when the politician them come back now, come say, yo, watch out, man. At this, I mean. Who business where
the funniest thing I see her when she try apologize for some bullshit where they did say when it happened. See, and to see oh girl just do it like I want a regular day, like
regular day.
Just a read the press news. You know, like, I said, this girl good. She bewitched me.
They are good one for it.
Yeah, man, she bewitched me. But yeah, man, Zane, police them say over 450 rounds was discovered. Discovered 450 LLO is a 2400.
Yeah.
Zane,
I lie.
And it was a Omni powered rifle gun. Means they say both fire are capable of firing multiple several different shots. Zane, so several can be for anything over 2. Zane, so
can fire 5.56, 7.62.
Same way, 7.62. No, for the people them where I say, yo, police them this, that. You just imagine, Zane, you hear 4 different shot fire.
Hey, hold on. You know, I just realized I said that took a while. I'm going to get payments from some police things in every day. I call of duty to play.
The Call of Duty.
So, we know
Stealth bombing.
5.56. Don't program me here.
Zane, but you're a best man. You can picture yourself 4 different shots on the air, Virgin. First thing when I pray, say 4 different somebody there in the house there. Plus the Beretta when they have the extender. So, you know what I mean?
So you are say that, I try to say, him did a fire one gun when you have multiple rounds in it.
That rifle have.
No, what me tell you this. If him have so much extra rounds in him house. That simply meaning you could have specifically choose to fire one number rounds.
Exactly.
If you have a gun, you can fire multiple rounds. You know, choose to put different rounds in it. I can tell you that. You choose to put one rounds because you're gonna go stay.
What? So why the name just buy one where you use one rounds?
No, one of that I factor it.
That is exactly the fact of it. Why me buy a gun with where you use multiple rounds?
That is not the fact, bro. Look here now. Alright, you see, let me explain it to you. See a 45.
So put one in there.
Look here now. You see a 45. When they ready to get shot feet like place in Jamaica, they can't get shot feet. I had a shot.
I know they will they go down.
Yeah, then me I tell you say no. You have a gun like a Intratec. You can fire 9mm, can fire something else like a 45 shot or so.
Explain that with Call of Duty.
They make it a way there. For example, if you're there in a battlefield, you know half the rounds where you bring out in a war. Yeah, so you could just make multi-purpose, you know, make say you
so where you say then indeed just have be one shot in it. Indeed just load it with one shot.
Anybody that do.
Right.
Yeah, why you do that? It gun more stable pan a working mechanism. Pan a mechanism standpoint. It less likely if jam or anything because it a switch from rounds to rounds.
No, bro, man, the mechanism built for that. Someone that can't in a picture, bro. That me I say, come with something. Let me show you what me I say, Zane. Let me show you what me I say, Zane. Because I don't like me not understand that. Me know you never go down the road as we said, so I don't like me know that possible say that. But since you take you up, alright, people.
Yeah, can we that?
Ain't got that. Yeah, but when me would do it for, alright. Different type of warfare charge. If better say, alright, come on to the 7.62 there, we do a dangerous thing that brother.
Yeah.
Zena we know if really I go for them the same thing there sound. Different type of war, you know.
So if me go take on his state, look here now.
But you going like Roman the preloading thing, no one say I go take on his state.
Look here now.
That me I say.
Then from killing the Eggman, right? And now move from basically directly when me kill the Eggman. I must know say reaction gun there. So I say if me I go load my gun, cause my gun load and put on right. 7.62 I do greater damage than a 5.56 then. Why me I go put a 7.62 3 times and then put a 5.56? I mean I shoot bird. We plan to kill people. So me I go put all I rounds them first when me know say more damaging towards people.
Alright, because of this, Zane, me understand what you say, but you say just because of one next stereo, they say,
if I'm benefit did it towards doing it, like say, alright, firing so much shot, I go make me gun to what and blow.
Listen,
but I understand what you say.
Listen, man, see, based on one in next stereo where I float out, they say, I'm a military man. Yeah. Zane, me believe saying would have directly a different type of rounds them in there.
Alright,
for different type of
police or somebody most watch the video.
For different type of. Let me finish what I say now. No job then you tell the police they would if you don't.
Yeah, no, why me I say that actually because me I say me know a police and did this. So you see me here they are debating. Then we can interject and tell you if.
I may say is if he just judging from what they say, he's a military man, dog. Me know and say yo, me no need 7.62 for go take on the mission there. See, it's a submachine gun basically me need to go take on the mission there to make sure say my one dead and no one bag of collateral damage in there, you understand? Yeah. That me I tell myself. So in we have them there, in we have a gun preset and load, we'd say 57.62 if I saw a gun set up. I want 30 aim same thing there, if 9 binds holding that in it same way. You see me? Couple, just for know say you watch now. It depends on the type of warfare when me I go for, the type of crime when me I go for deal with. As me say, me need a preset I expect authorities. If in preset you expect authorities, yes I be a 7.62 because the biggest thing that Zane and that tear out everything. So what me I say is that's me I say
I not
really
say nothing wrong with
preset
because man I shoot bird do that where they have 2 different bird shot fee where you have a pellet and a slug, right? So if you go shoot like a duck, they may use a pellet.
When me I say if you man did that one of them where PNL them where the boy them would have said corner boy type of settings nigga them then Zane. They would have just full that with the heaviest rounds for kill.
No,
Zane.
But boy.
Eh?
Him a corner boy.
Oh bro man.
Of course.
Me don't know where because that me I say bro as me say me could hear next story where I float.
Because they say anyone I story they may take him a corner boy. If he must sell shot, if he kill a man for 2 egg, any one of them may take him a corner boy. Anyone I story them.
Then I could take that story then. Well, footer up. That can be a corner boy.
What me think brown man is? I think brown. Let me tell you what me think brown man is. I think brown man is a CIA agent where them having a Jamaica, because all of them they are Jamaica, where them will call and activate you anytime. But me think the ammunition them where them give Brown man a sell them on the side and a hustle. And I saw him and Eggman have the argument. Them are gonna tell us in family live in Canada. Them not gonna give no real story from Brown man. Them are gonna make up story in the media, but common sense. Why wasn't Brown man shooting at the police the closer them get? When them the way out there, so. And if you are fire shot, listen now, if you are fire shot for 3-4 hours, where you did that shoot at? Me not seen a police vehicle bullet ridden with a whole heap of bullet, and this man is a real murderer. Whosoever him superior tell him say go back in the house and lock up yourself, cause you done civilian. Them can't come tell us say, oh, him is a hidden cell and we're gonna just lock him up. Me not done yet. Alright, then say them go to the house and me hear them and say, oh, surrender. We are not here to hurt you. We're in no shot, no fire. Everything quiet. Him can't run out of shot in so much ammunition. Then finding at the house. And the gun in the house. Next thing, come in and race it in. More need to slow down and think. Oh, it makes sense. Zine? Oh, it makes sense. You are shoot out to the police then for 3 hours and no police not get shot. No bullet ridden vehicle no out there. No, him not try kill the police them. Them not try him and him not try him. With that investigation yeah. You saw when L.A. Lewis got the next day and a video him look at things say him catch it up that make me know say Jamaica people get tricked. Cause me see some things that you don't notice. Brown man probably over camp right now. I eat oxtail and rice and peas. And I drink some carrot juice. Jamaica police are jab you out. What do you when the boy them go rob Portland? When you see them a throw them in a van back, you see them a come up, the youth them a Clarendon, or you see them throw them. Them have the police or your sister boy.
We just dumpy boy.
You see how the van drive out a grown man yard fast.
They shoot him, you know. They know they can go.
Hey, people just remember say a foot type that thing say alien.
Yeah, that block him.
So take the information with a grain of salt.
No, but listen to me now. Why I want to play this is just to go back to what Media said. If it's a CIA agent, you have them training there when you know for exercise caution. You not load up a gun with one what they call it, quad bullet type of ammunition shit. But you not set you up with just one round, set of rounds. Then and also the CIA thing, the only reason why I mention it, I just take on out of the matrix.
If you must CIA,
yeah,
you're not going to set you up with one round, you must set you up with multiple. Right?
You can get what I said though. That's what I said.
No, I understand what you say, but I still don't understand why you do it.
Because that I say it's not a local regular corner boy where I pray. Let's say we are going to kill somebody, dog, see? And if we do this thing discreetly.
No,
I see him gonna go fire a submachine bullet them.
We are talking about. They kill people if I'm 2-2.
Yeah, me know, but what I say is I don't kill people, I damage where I do.
Oh, so you don't want to do extreme
collateral damage myself from way up there.
You don't want to do extreme damage, you want to do
yes, boy, if you just dead. Who so me go for if you just dead, you understand what I say? Eh?
So we in the kill the police them?
No, me as I say, if him is a sleeper agent for real, then whatever the case may be, or then use him. You know what I mean? So say if he performs something like that, you can deal with it. That's me I say, CIA, well, come and buy them people over there, so we do them bag of foolishness there.
Yeah,
bro.
but me understanding about what me I try to say, me not get the point to what him do then. When CIA did one thing do, me not get the point at it.
Me, Me no know, but yeah, we're going now. You know me.
Alright,
What I know.
that the CIA did want
You
to kill
remember?
Eggman.
You remember?
Although maybe they
Yo,
don't
what
want
I
to
know?
kill Eggman because
You remember, blood? No, but that we said that the next part of our footer say. It just get rogue. It just go rogue. Cause you know him something they can go on that emotions. That one of the next theory where out there floating. So just emotions and couple it over and then sitting there. But so I feel like that in it too, dog. You see me, them boy I take me for food too long and then even know so me a dog for real out. You know what I say? And it just chip. Zin. So that can in a picture. So me I say, and the CIA would be responsible for that the part there. You see me I say that are just natural born emotions. But where me I say people before me make this a boy tap me out and me look like me mad. Well, I movie out, they want show out the name Godfather of Harlem. It's a series and you can watch it with Bumpy Johnson, based off a true story and wife right here as a matter of fact. It's CIA sell drugs, guns, ammunition, then give it to drug lords, cartels. Like me telling you, say America bill shower passage charge. You see what me I say? So, strange, far-fetched for my brain to perceive, say, yeah, CIA have sleeper agents out there.
Yeah,
They have agents out there before, do those things, before do those things happen. They have, exactly. So, what me I say is, footer might be onto something, but at the same time, remember alien abducting. So, with that now.
Yeah, what may I say? Would I like if we have no undercover CIA or whatever? We don't know how to do it. Just make a comment and let me know. What would that be a reason for a person put multiple different ammunition in a gun in a fire in a case like this?
I'm still tell you, sir, it's not for a case like this.
Alright, whether a case like this or not.
Yeah.
Just give one reason why that makes sense. Watch on a different fan of shotgun, I mean, no say people go on birds with, right? And then put multiple ammunition in it because of this reason. If you go on bird and you have the pellet shot and you book up on one beer, the pellet shot you can't stop the beer. So you put the slug in it too, so you know, say if you book up a beer, you know say this you shoot the beer. Because this is going to stop him when there. But if you shoot the birds, then you need the pellet. So people do that with the and security reasons too. Like a man will use the pellet for close range to stop a group of people. You understand that with a shotgun? But I talk about a rifle. You see a rifle, you is a CIA or a military person. What would that be a reason for you put a 5.56, then a 7.62 or 2.556, then a 7.62 in a gun? A reason for what they just like him say. But me just don't know it, so I don't want to understand. Because me I tell myself, say alright, if you're a military person and you go shoot and plan to shoot, or whether you have plan to shoot or not, you see by having 7.62 in a gun loan 7.62, you know the damage that I do. Or by having loan 5.562, see? And the more I go give you a stable fire rate. Because when I gun off you have, when I shot them off you have a different reaction to your gun. 7.62 from 5.56, because one of them full of more gunpowder than one. So when I go make it gun either jump more or whatever.
But so, people at the end of the day, remember gun designed for this and designed for 4 or more different bullets. Yeah, why would I make me put buy one gun? If me can get a gun like that, that me one know. If me can get a gun like that, why wouldn't just get one gun to fire them 1 round then?
I gotta tell you now, say as far as me know with the gangster.
If me can get that the gun, then me can get 4 guns.
You see with gangster term, why gangsters always love intratech? Because intratech make you fire multiple small arms rounds, like 9mm, 45, I think, 380. I think then 3 there. You can fire out assembly. Out intratech. The gangsters them love that because you can't get 9mm. And you will see a bunch of 45. And you can't get 45 and you will see a bunch of 9mm. So you can put anyone in there. So gangster them love that. So you're not going to run out a shot then if you take a look at it.
Alright then.
So I don't know what to
make we check the next wave. Our people are say. This is Jamaica. Jamaica. This is the reason Jamaica. Option C, this is the reason Jamaica go with, because normally this not normal. But this is Jamaica.
We represent for the lords of Yaad. A gal alone I feel up my. From them a bar in a chinchin man can. Give me fire, make we burn.
There's nothing like some good Jamaican eggs, These eggs are worth dying for.
Alone 6 egg, 6 frankfurter. By the small bread them, because I know next bread them spoil. Because sometimes I need to eat breakfast and everything, right? But nothing really now go on, because I don't know, my transmission and my car get jammed and I got sand, so nothing to now. But you don't know, she there run. You know, mother, get up on early morning, but on Tuesday morning, I forgot Jeffrey and fry 5 eggs out of the 6.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done. Me fi kill him instant.
So I come in back and say that you know. Look pan after 2 and say, when I go? Oh my, you really fight me to egg them?
All of this over egg. Bumbo clat and the egg rotten too.
Just go buy a flatter egg. Dog, I try to tell me so 12 breastfeed. But when time I look in my pocket and see $1,000 load me have, and I give the dog $1,000. And tell the dog say I can't weigh him 2 breasts. The dog said, nah man, that good man. Keep me 2 breasts, man.
So I'm not say, well if I have a brother man case still, because I'm on a hero, I'm on a punk. I'm plus me here in the island make I make so I tell the man them so sit dog there, so we never want to have to surface back, you know, and try some stunt. But a message to Silk Bars, you know, it's a road read. Cause me hear some people say I capitalize on the moment because he make song for Brown man, the whole situation right. You hear song? You hear?
So might.
It's not a good song.
But you capitalize. Oh, when Popcorn did capitalize pan, brother rape look up me.
It was a good song.
Say,
Don't try to figure out.
You can capitalize pan situation as an artist.
Don't try to figure out. No, make it have to good. Jamaica is.
No, I'm not saying enough good.
Have
to
good,
yes.
There's no capitalizing on it.
I think people are capitalizing pan the situation. Because I say artists do that. And still pass on it first.
No problem, no in that.
Not saying if you do a good song, yes.
Yeah.
But capitalizing on the situation where you do man.
Capitalizing on the situation in a moment, controversy and this, yes, to your point. At that I think what artists do. To your point as well. At that people are bashing pan. I'm not bashing pan the capitalize pan the moment. I'm bashing pan the fact say. It's not a good friggin' song. Yeah, so you're Gwaan. It make it look like he not capitalize for the moment. It look like he just want tell the police them say I figure out. You see me I say, and dog, franchise badness himself. That's not a good look. You see me I say, you know, you're an artist. You feel like you're a bigger artist for Luciano. Ain't no way. You remember Luciano?
If I pussy this, me, man go dead. Head chip, mother murder somebody for your egg. Watch out, me and one game, 30 of them. And then I kick it, take off of the roof till it end. Oh, Lord. Everybody I go dead. Oh, Lord. 16 busting it, 7.62 make squaddy jump fence. So G, I say, but I know I cover you a dead. I shoot out like grown man. 6 body feed the I with squaddy
yo, Jamaica never read that and
somebody get caught up. Them try knock down the door, but the door at. Head shoot up a pig, smarty marrow and leg. Squaddy run got hide, knife back high jeep. Shot a left him head, saggy like mac and cheese. Chest up and like a new thing a Japan beach.
Yeah, oh I know. Who are these about their wife? These about their co. You don't hear from him the whole long. These about their co. You want good song.
Respect your art fam. Yeah, me I say. You say
naturally, I'm saying make it a good song for me.
Don't pray to guide up. Let out the emotions, society a liar. The smallest inconvenience will make a man lose it. Dog, this bigger than the Tobies. Stress to make decision me foolish. It only take a bad day for everything growing. Yeah, I pressure do that, I suck me do him. Not even him know him could have been so cruel. If he not strong, the devil not gonna make you win. When the mind make up of that them doing, don't afraid to cry dog. Let out the emotions, society a liar. Hold up with stress, don't afraid to cry dog. Let out the emotions, society a liar.
Silk Boss is not a bad man. And Jamaica know that.
And that man say, you don't remember what happened to Luciana?
Well, no, we all see some man a box up Silk Boss for a left. See? So, alright, we're not gonna say man a pretend to be one cartel they pretend to be. You understand what I say? So you see art form, we kinda respect that. I shoot out like brown man. It song no bad. But it just have one little catchy career. 3 things just something. So alright, to me this is in the moment art. Because it's a song and a last.
Yes.
Song and last not all, no.
Yes.
So it's a in the moment song. So what you see, who did a clone out like you them we are recording and streaming live.
Yeah.
And that clone out the shooting.
Yeah.
Even though Jamaica is not a real place for that reason.
Yeah.
It's like you get a vibes funny. We would have play for 1 2 days and then you gone.
Yeah. Never before.
Alright.
Never.
I would have
Hey,
song like,
all the next 5 years, it will never reach in a juggling. I will never see it. I don't know it. I don't even remember it existed.
Let me show you the difference.
I don't remember Brown Man existed.
Would have play 2 songs. Would have play Fuck the Police, then a shootout like Brown Man.
Mm-hmm.
But to see after a couple of years gone,
Yeah.
one song me I go play.
Yeah.
Fuck the Police said we.
That
That is song is a good song.
Let me tell you all the way we could have think about me would have use the song there.
Yeah.
You see, if somebody a clash and they come and try diss me and I say, yo, see them down a town, man. See down with a brown man. And that's the only way I use that at my counter. Show them some pussy. Right. Bad man, no brother. We brown man.
Let me tell you how we stay. It's like, you know when you walk on the edge of the law, it's like you see some police all law pass. And you just say, you know what, we are going to antagonize the boy. You know you have to do it, you know, because you know what trouble you have to pick up for yourself, you know.
And I know reason for.
But I see him reason some other man drive past the police, them and just turn up their sound. Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. It's like you don't really be both the way you know, so they don't like this song. So you just want to antagonize them and I pray say, the one you know when I want them, I will kill you. The one I want them, I will just go. You know what?
The boy, idiot. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, say, no, the brown man, you see what I say? And Silk Boss, don't make it happen again, Saka. You don't have a bad man, them a box you up. You want to, we have to try really down your career. Me blouse and skirt. See a squad say, hey, yo, boy, you don't see a 100 badness now. A squad we box you down.
You why me love it, man. See, you why me love
it. Why?
Why find that you still know. But you why me love the song. See? You see eventually right now what we're supposed to say after. Our video we're supposed to say after no way. We blood clot. The police them back him up now and I deal him so way.
So, like he guard up youth. So that exactly forward in my brain and I say, yo, John, what
Alright, that would make a song last longer.
Acho, because the song now would be a whole statement. It's a whole thing by itself now. That is a time in dancehall history, in Jamaica's history. So you know, that's how you can get it there. Hey, you know the boy I've said you have to pay him 15% for consultation. And that's
how we still play song. Yaad up. I police them make it song popular.
Yeah, man. So, that man. But you ever go on to people?
So yesterday, a giant influencer was brutally deleted because of his ideas and his beliefs. He was a father, he was a husband, he was a conservative influencer, he was a devout Christian, and he believed in conservative ideas. And he was brutally deleted by I don't know who, but it's unfortunate.
Thinking that you are a man when you are a woman, or thinking that you are a leopard when you're a human, how are they different?
Just tell me about your buddy Charlie Kirk. What was he like? What did people who only know him from radio or TV not appreciate about what a good guy he was?
That his Christianity was sincere, and his commitment to Jesus was totally sincere. And it, sometimes isn't, especially in public figures who throw out Bible verses they don't understand and stuff like that. But in his case, not speaking to him in particular, but in his case, it informed every single part of his life, from his marriage to the way he treated his children, to the way he treated his staff, to the way he approached disagreement, to the way he thought of other people, which was always primarily as people first. And that was, he was much younger than I am, and I met him when he was a teenager, so he's literally the age of one of my children. So it was kind of hard to take him seriously at first, and over the years that I knew him, more than 10 years, I ended up learning from him. I'm not just saying this because he's passed. I mean that sincerely. And the main thing that I learned from him was how to disagree with people on topics that you take very seriously and that they take very seriously without hating them or without feeling bitterness. People knew what was going on behind the scenes. There was a lot going on behind the scenes, and it was intense. And it was bitter. And, because the divide, particularly in foreign policy questions, is very real in the Republican Party. Neocons versus the realists, or however you want to describe it. He was on the realist side for sure. But he was mad at the people who disagreed with him. He liked them as people. He agreed with them on some things. And he would always say that. I agree. In private, he would say that. And, I was involved in it because people were mad at him for having me at his conferences or for talking to me. And so we had cause to talk about it a lot up until he was assassinated. And I was so struck the whole time. I would say, I would use the ugly language I'm famous for in private, and he would never talk like that. He would say, well, I agree with him on this, but obviously I'm on your side on that. And he just never forgot there was a person behind the views, and that inspired me. And God commands that of us. That's a real commandment, in my opinion. And he lived it.
That's exactly right, Tucker. He treated everybody with respect, and because he genuinely loved people and he genuinely wanted their salvation, he wanted them to have a relationship with God, he wanted them to know the truth, he always treated them with respect, maybe especially when he disagreed with them.
You're a teacher. Yes. What is a woman?
Woman is a social construct that we've agreed upon.
So I want to thank you for proving a great point. What? You are why we should eliminate the Department of Education. Thank you very much.
Are you married?
Yes, with 2 beautiful children.
Wow, good for you.
I can tell you're not married.
Yeah.
You're so scared to debate me.
Actually, I'm not scared.
Then debate me anytime,
Honestly, I'm good. I just debated the governor of this state. I don't need to debate you, Parker, okay?
You keep interrupting me. Every time I actually try to... Every time I try to actually explain my point and have a reasonable conversation with you, you cut me off.
You're an English major. Yeah. I'm going to give you another chance. Okay. What's your favorite Jane Austen novel?
Harry Potter.
My shirt, everybody, my shirt says Charlie Kirk.
Oh,
clearly you're offended.
Actually, I'm not. I find it hilarious. In fact, I'm so important that you have to make a shirt with my name on it. It's FBI statistics. It's well known.
Statistics. Where can you show me that at? 70% of offenders were African American.
I know you're obviously very anti-trans.
No, I'm pro-reality.
The one that might actually be my favorite. I'm pro-reality. No, definitely should be my favorite. Zin, but I just say deal with people. Common sense. Common sense. You remind me of one of teacher named Anaki. So they would have killed Anaki over so long time if you choose to run in the type of field the same way. You know what I mean? But yeah, dog. Listen to me, brother. Now, I watch one day you talk about to still the one with the youth like, come forward and I say my English major. But me hear some people in the comments that say, yo, he's a youth, he's a TikToker. Where I something when do. Like, you see me, but say, I don't like he really did that. You see me, they just a try fuck around.
Oh, but while the girl him laugh all the time.
Yeah.
The girl him with the right side of him.
Cause they don't know him.
I in English too much here.
Yeah, man. Harry Potter. Boy, I tell you. That's how I go, man. But yeah, man. Charlie Kirk, I tell you. Basically, common sense. Then you they make me feel like the world of hope. You see me, I say, somebody out there preach sense to people, young people, people we are going to lead on the next generation. Yeah. You see me, I say?
Andrew Tate and a couple of them out there. And I say, see them money right now.
And shut him.
I have to start first to me because the feel said this build a momentum with the only objective what they have to fight against Trump. It's like they know Trump will remain in office for about 3 more years or so. And Trump will try to cut out the DEI and what if I gays shit them.
Who for agenda? Who for agenda? Where you say look wise?
You see a gay agenda.
Who is them?
The gay agenda where gays them have. And the agenda where the DEI have. Like I said, gay community. You understand? We want to make people conform to say simple as say this a man a say in him Ray now and you have to call him a she or a him. And you have to do that. You have to do that. You see, Trump will fight against the thing there. And you see, this a man right now, I am a man where I say it blatantly out to everybody. and a business.
To the young minds of the world and I change them.
Alright. So you see by one idiot go do that when do to him. It's like he give group of idiot a solution away with the intelligence says a solution to
that's
fight
why I
back
say they
against.
hang this man, I don't want them blood, can they find him?
They not going in.
They find him, but I hang
and maybe they hang him because the white man ain't kill.
I hang more than one hang him.
See this, hey.
Yo, listen me now before you run around the card and make people start think fuckery in that video. People are nothing to do with race, right? Yes, sir. I talk about the person, ideals.
We not this a man
yeah, I say yo, maybe they will think that because the white man then kill. That's a reality I them the people over there. So when me I try make them people here so know say we now pray this boy because of nothing to do with race. I don't give a shit when he would have be, which color he did have be. Zane, because right now this just put me in a mind I want see him Martin Luther dog and Malcolm, no Martin Luther, but Malcolm X. You see me I say, as me say bro, one of them somebody are then kill. I same thing this I vice.
But when would I want people to watch? If you remember the youth name Dylan Ruth. He name in a Joanna Lucas song. See, if you remember Dylan Ruth walk in a church and kill the black people them. Remember how they treat him. When them carry him got a coat, him have a bulletproof vest and everything, him man get treated like you understand like how they treat a citizen will get charged for a crime. So when I want them watch how this youth get treated now. You understand me I say? Cause me I say it's not like we are preach about race. What me feel say though, in American justice system,
a white man get more punished. We not try to go around that.
More punished. And so when me say that, and I like say we are preach off a race thing.
Me just want to clear it up for people where view. We don't give a shit about the race really and truly. The youth ideals are what make we drawn to it. That's why me I say, yeah man, if he is a black man, when we have common sense unlocked then, because some people lack with them common sense now. You see, as a black man, we have common sense unlocked, you will realize it's not a race thing when this a youth say. All when you say things about black people, it's not a race thing. The man just show you findings, like critical thinking. You see me I say, and get
common sense.
Common sense.
Common sense, the man I say, if you are a black person, and you are trained to become a doctor, and you know have the qualification to become a doctor to operate on people, you're not supposed to get the position to become the doctor there because you're black. In America, they do that because they have a whole heap of white doctor and no black doctor. So it's like they have to try implement a white doctor whether they qualify for it or not. If you make it seems like
black
say
doctor,
we are
whether I qualify
everybody.
or not, I want
Chinese
Indian doctor,
too.
I want. You see me I say, and what you know now, because Jamaica have something like that still not, but you're a few thing forward, where you have it, and that is by right. Me understand the part there, where you have it, at least 5% or something like that. You're supposed to employ one disabled somebody.
Disabled somebody, yeah, that's a different because why now. You see, disabled person where you employ, you don't have to give him a position where him not qualify for.
Yeah.
You can give him you only give him a position where he fit to manage. You know why you do that? You do that for society, not try shun the disabled people then.
Or we have to go end up a pay for them.
Yeah, but
that
no, because you will shun them. Because watch out,
we don't talk about society, we talk about government.
If the government
we have to end up a find way to pay for them funds, allocate funds if it's some for farmer grant for them.
Yeah.
If they not work.
Yeah, but if the government now employ them and now set ways for them, like for example, if you have a big building and a government building, and you now make the way for wheelchair go in there, you cannot tell a private sector person to do that.
Yeah.
You get me? So your government have a lead.
Yeah, really debate, but them I use them OD it over. So now you look a fuckery now, be a fuckery, you see me? So you Charlie Kirk says, boy, when I go up on an airplane, the first thing me pray when I see one black pilot is, boy, I hope he's qualified. Enough black people take that as offense. Dog, that's just a fucking facts.
Brother, you have people go up on one airplane and see one Arab. If you see one turban, they're afraid.
Yeah,
they
man.
want to come off. Yeah, so this is basically a moment when the sniper fire shot. We know say YouTube kind of have some problem with them type of video, yeah? They want to blur it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Great.
That's a lot of people you
I believe in the differences of ideas. I respect other person's ideas. But Charlie Kirk believed that the liberal ideas have become too widespread and too dominant in American culture.
That's fine. You could bring as many of the trans zealots up to the mic as you want. So, as many purple-haired jihadis as you want to bring up to the microphone, you could do that.
I don't think my hair's...
Any volunteers? No?
Okay.
Here's the core of it. No one would care if a 30-year-old was wearing a dress. For years, we called them cross-dressers and no one cared. The problem is that we now have to change our language, our beliefs, to validate something that we know is not true. We must teach it.
It's a level of politeness. Like, the world changes. Like, you're not allowed to say certain things.
Oh, it could change for the worse, for sure.
And on his American comeback tour, he was trying to educate the youths that this is not the way to go. And I believe some people didn't like him for that.
No one acknowledges that you can have digression. No one acknowledged that you can regress from something that has worked. We do not have to accept all progress as if it is good. Sometimes you can have progress over a cliff. And the transgender craze these last 10 years, a social contagion, is a very bad thing.
So our thoughts and our prayers go out to Charlie Kirk.
Are you a Christian by any chance?
Very, very much so.
Like, why is that exactly?
Oh, Jesus saved my life. I'm a sinner, gave my life to Christ, most important decision I ever made.
So you believe the Bible is real?
Yes, I believe the Bible is true and real. Yeah.
Why is that?
I admire many of his stands. I might not like all of them, but I had to learn to respect them.
I don't like your t-shirt. I'm an immigrant. I don't understand why you would want to deport some of my friends and family who have been working hard in this country.
What's your name, sir?
I'm Claudio, sir.
Yeah, Claudio. And this is just a thought exercise, but it's very revealing. You are king. And you find out that there are 30 million uninvited people in your country. What do you do with them?
I try to find the most humane way of sending them back to our country. But first of all, I want to say...
That's what we're doing!
Wait,
that's what we're doing! So what country...
I also hope that this will not be a tipping point in the debate. Because when it gets here, it can get real.
You see stupid idea me have made. We want to just continue to work with it and say, yo, you know, say, they never send them home. We just keep them and feed them.
No.
And give them free money.
But what I say is that...
But if you ever say that...
Dog, what I say is the man just catch them because you were going. You just show them now something different in our everyday life. Right? Analogy them when you use all the while and you catch them. When you look funny, you want to say, I know the same thing, but when you really did a reason it out for answer him, I see him fucking
after
thing.
you see him statement in show back at you in a different way.
See, so what you know now? And that me tell you about the youth, Virgin. You only people them we really not like this man, a Batman, and people with dunks. It's plain and simple, Virgin. And I one of them kill him. But 22-year-old
if you don't think after your own, you have to...
Good as not like, hey, as good as the youth to say, yo, I don't like your t-shirt, kill him. To tell you the truth. So, I want to
play video.
I look a sensitive youth, kill him, brother. I tell you, say, yo, right now, I tell you, say, bro, me born in a Malcolm them time. This man, a revolutionist in my time. When they kill. I can tell you that. You feel that, Virgin. I tell you. Boy, I'm hope then that they put soul there. See? So if you wear dog, I say, the other people who are going to brave up. One then line them up like they show there in a Jack Sparrow. They seen there in a Jack Sparrow with the dog are forward in and the people them are singing pirate song, you see?
I am filing a criminal information charging Tyler James Robinson, age 22, with the following crimes. Count 1, aggravated murder. Count 2, felony discharge of a firearm causing serious bodily injury. The state is further alleging aggravating factors on counts 1 and 2 because the defendant is believed to have targeted Charlie Kirk. Count 3, obstruction of justice, a second-degree felony for moving and concealing the rifle used in the shooting. Count 4, obstruction of justice, a second-degree felony for disposing the clothing he wore during the shooting. Count 5, witness tampering, a third-degree felony. Count 6, witness tampering, a third-degree felony for directing his roommate to stay silent if police questioned him. And count 7, commission of a violent offense in the presence of a child. Also, following the press conference, I am filing a notice of intent to seek the death penalty.
Someone say in line them up, man. Oh no. First of all, I say one no like nothing good for no youth.
You like laws we have in our country. Like if him shoot the hombre in a one state where the death penalty not two up on the table again, he not get death penalty.
We carry him over our next state go try him.
Is it?
We can white people shit that. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's the man.
We jump back to the race part now though.
Eh? No, so I tell you said this is America.
This is America.
We're not gonna act stupid. They have things implemented for the white, just like in Jamaica. We have things implemented for the mixed race motherfuckers that are here. More than the youth, them were there and grow here. But anyway.
But just feel like say what this man. It's just like how we find the youth them way have a school shooting and him tell him say them wanna get a strength or a hyper fight. So the youth himself, he know I'm a part of the movement of people them would just definitely not like people like him. And he might tell himself say if
he
me
might be one hero amongst the
community.
This is getting really weird. There's a man that just went through and destroyed a Charlie Kirk memorial at Turning Point USA, and he had on the same exact shirt as the person that took Charlie Kirk's life. In Phoenix, a 19-year-old named Ryan Corral was just arrested by police after he went and destroyed the memorial set up for Charlie Kirk outside his nonprofit, Turning Point USA. And witnesses actually had to detain this man before the police got there after he was seen stomping and kicking through all of the flowers, pictures, and candles that were set up for Charlie Kirk. And although that is an absolutely terrible thing to do, to actually go and destroy a memorial for somebody like Charlie Kirk, the thing that makes it worse is that that man was dressed exactly like Tyler Robinson, the man that took Charlie Kirk's life just a few days ago. He was wearing jeans just like Tyler Robinson, and he had the exact same distinct t-shirt with the bald eagle, the American flag, and the writing on top and bottom. And the only way you were actually able to get this shirt is by making a donation to the Disabled Veterans Foundation.
Matter of fact, they could have one secret chat group. And that often happen. Whenever watch a movie, them and see it, man.
But when we did say it that way, I know say
them a justice killer, justice fighter. Yeah.
When we did say it that way, I know say.
Man.
When we did say it that way, I say. So when we did say it that way, I say, watch out, at the end of the day, we America are afraid because more than people are going to get targeted.
Yeah.
Work vice versa, you know? Because he never one man where full violence like Martin Luther King or them there, you know. But when I stand the ground type, you know.
So you see
if him did see that brother there, we are going to snipe him.
Would I get violent?
Yeah. If him did see that brother there, we are going to snipe him.
Yeah.
Him and him have a gun, him would have kill him before him kill him.
Oh, God,
that type of person there. So me I say you see people when we follow film story now, them are going more get violent towards them type of people there.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, go vice versa for your country.
You know good.
You know good.
You know good. Saying.
It can be a turning point. You know why me I call it turning point?
Yeah.
Him have one of them debate the with the turning point, you know.
Oh.
Well, I see me I said John or dog.
Yeah, we're going, my friend.
Being a martyr.
Listen, me, man.
Good. Like you can live longer than me right now.
Yeah, so that a school shooting thing, that a recent thing just to mention right there, they are telling about look a while. But yeah, man, Charlie Kirk youth, January youth.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. You know it's spooky, cause you what Gwaan. We can't go over in a conspiracy part of it, you know. You see me I say? Cause the Matrix, people who are in charge of Matrix, them they over upon the Democrat side of America, you know, the Bill Clinton and them people there. You see me? Them on the corporation side. You see me I say? Then the Matrix can control Trump. But here then pray. This man that cannot go one more term. So I could allow it. And
the next man look like he can carry on for Trump.
Would that be JD Vance? Yeah, but JD Vance look like him can take the corporation letter because him may like Trump first.
Program him with
exactly. So what you know, we have a law with Vance and then try push your ideas with Vance now. Zane but Trump allow me all. You rather decide to push what more you can do. Kill me. We out for dead by my heart attack any moment now. You know what I'm saying? See, so
you have a face with the difference with people like him. You see, in all times they watch some movie where like him man, he head crook, I get a good guy, right? One ultimatum with 2 choices. And if I hear a good guy more while make one 3rd choice, I feel like him are the type of person there. Where even when he in office and you give him 1, 2 choice, he gonna make feel more.
Yeah.
And them know that. So you see, instead of wait till he get in, if he decides to run or another thing there, get with them from now. Because that's what Trump stay, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Trump make Virgin even
This
though
boy
Trump
is a
denied the
mini
letter, you know.
Trump. This boy is a mini Trump, and you're Gwaan. It's not if nor but. You see, if him get up and choose, although my friend say him did one video. I remember the video for real when he out there and I say yo, he would run for office. But what me I say is enough people say that and still run for office. Just like what Dad mentioned too. But you hear me now? If him do decide to run for office at any point in his life, further down the line, him is a showing as they would have said for office. Then that boy being so young, being so influential and so powerful, we have to take him out now. We have to take him out now.
See video I umbrella. But they have a video umbrella where after I shoot,
I try making escape.
After I come 5 billion and thing.
He's going to climb off the edge and then drop down to the ground. As he did that, he left some palm impressions. There's some smudges, some places we're looking to collect DNA. There's a shoe imprint where we believe the suspect is clearly identified as wearing Converse tennis shoes.
So we'll
replay that again so you can get another view of that.
Yeah, you can't make no.
It's important to note his black T-shirt, his black pants, and there appears to be some white on the soles of those Converse tennis shoes. Those are all identifiable items that we're looking for. In the stills that are going to follow this,
back then time that
see a very
you could have get the video. That's why I don't know him and
them. There's also a baseball cap with a triangle on it and a pair of sunglasses. All distinctive, all things that we would ask the public to look for.
See, you see, if you look on this every day, you know, other basically, I know, don't really say basically, but look at this every day, I'm free. Brown man, we did in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And since I know we still don't know certain things about brown man. This a man then just find him. I watch American news or American news deal with it. That is it's like a live CSI or something.
Yeah, right away. Information on the spot dog. Every second, every minute count.
Every minute. Right, it's a CBS TV news. And about tell you what the title say what we know about the suspect in Charlie Kirk.
So what more do we know about the suspect?
Our Justice correspondent Scott McFarlane has been piecing together the life of Tyler Robinson.
Tyler Robinson grew up in southwest Utah, about 4 hours from the site of the shooting. The family spent a lot of time in the outdoors, according to a neighbor, where Robinson became comfortable around guns. A stellar student in high school, Robinson earned a full ride to Utah State University, but only stayed a semester. Neighbor Kristen Schwerman said he was smart, quiet, and respectful.
This is a total shock because that's not who Tyler was. That's not who Tyler is. And that's what shocks us all, is that if he did this, we think there was something else behind it.
In recent years, according to Utah Governor Spencer Cox, Robinson became increasingly politicized, referencing a recent conversation Robinson had with his family.
Robinson mentioned Charlie Kirk was coming to UVU. They talked about why they didn't like him and the viewpoints that he had. The family member also stated Kirk was full of hate and spreading hate.
A police affidavit reviewed by CBS News says the etchings on the casings from the gun included anti-fascist messages like, "Hey fascist, catch." Robinson was registered to vote, but unaffiliated with any party, and his status was considered inactive, suggesting he might not have voted in the November election. The governor praised Robinson's family today for intervening and urged people to disconnect from social media.
It is not good to consume. Social media is a cancer on our society right now. And I would encourage people to log off, turn off, touch grass, hug a family member, go out and do good in your community.
Scott, where does this case go next?
As the afternoon concluded Friday, the FBI was executing a search warrant at the family home. We'll see what evidence that brings up that's relevant to the court case that is to follow.
Hey, I want them to hear that. That's why we play the video, you know, come and say, brother, you know, hear that after we hear all of that, you know, then I hear say, this man and say FBI is currently performing a search at the family home.
So we're not done yet.
Brother, they find all of the information that
we're not done yet. We're not done yet. We have a knock if you are 6.
This is what they go find out is that hospital is used by the first injection in get.
The first girl in breed, the first girl in touch.
Say America different.
Yo, yeah, me I say, man.
The police work.
People at this time would want to talk about us, but you don't know. We can't. Boy, Charlie Kirk, I really want, as I say, an icon to me right now.
Man, we can do right now. I just salute the soldier.
Alright, people. Tip a little. I don't know where that come from, but tip look a bit fame. Jamaica lion. Hey, I want things still down. Tell about the lion then. We can't tell about the lion then. That bad. That tough. That's tough.
So come tell us, bro. Last night I really watched one slavery show. So I don't know why I'm just like watch the show that even though it heartbreaking. You see, oh, people deal with people. And see this you know. It's like you just show you say, yo, we still not slavery, brother.
Okay. God, that meant to say heartbreaking. Eye opening and you're disappointed in a people.
Rabbit a barrel thing. You see man where you think to himself and can jump out of the box and out there and I try to tell you, say, what you know? Just think about it, man. If 2 of you climb up and heap up and then the next man climb up and climb up and climb up and say, well, I want to get to come out, you know. One idiot down in a box, I choose to shoot him up the way I tell you to come out.
Same crab in a barrel sitting there. Jay-Z say it, and after me say it, what the Jay-Z come and say same thing. I forgot to style this box on Jay-Z music.
About the hood to keep us trapped. The red line of the probably declines if you live by black. I don't think they hear me though. Okay. Gentrify your own hood before these people do it. Claim eminent domain and have your people moving. That's a small glimpse into what Nipsey was doing. For anybody still confused as to what he was doing. The neighborhood designed to keep us trapped. They redlined it so property declines if you live by blacks. They depress the asset and take the property back. It's a ruthless but a genius plan in fact. So now we fighting over scraps. Crabs in the barrel, but crabs don't belong in the barrel. They ain't never tell us that. So in the barrel, we gon' act like we act. We can easily get out the barrel if we stand on each other's back. Whoever gets on top, as long as they stay attached, they can pull everybody out. I was doing just that. I told neighborhood Nipsey, stay close. $100 million on your schedule, lay low. Tell your team to be on point in the places that they go. I never dreamed to get killed in the place that he called home. How we gonna get in power? We kill the source. Y'all like to run off on the plug, so of course. That ain't lit, that's a means to an end. Me and my team was playing the plug ahead of plan. Sometimes we was only making 1,000 a joint. That ain't no money, but that ain't their point. So those 92 bricks was only 92,000. So y'all can close your mouth, it ain't nothing for y'all to wow. But it is something to study. We was chasing our goals, not chasing money. Niggas chasing hoes, we find that funny. I pull up in the roads, that hoe gon' want me. But I don't want no hoe, I want a wife. Somebody to bounce these ideas off at night. I be going to sleep hoping they'd visit me. That young king had a lot of jewels to split with me. And we ain't gotta leave the hood physically, but we gotta leave that shit mentally.
Alright, so people, what you know? Know we have a cross go overseas. You see me I say? So
I know overseas really at Jamaica.
And we know, but we say the way the cars are overseas people.
I run with the news.
Alright, so what you know now? Power the name Breakfast Club. Charlamagne the God and Lauren them and Jesse Mess and he'll come Filipino boy. I don't even know if him name and he did a long guy now. It's sad, but I don't know man name that.
But you hear me?
Yeah.
I don't Charlamagne the God and I don't the brother the way I try calling him. I don't them find the story of the other girl with name.
Lauren.
Yeah, she find it.
Lauren. Zane.
And mostly female them go kind of object for that story.
So
okay,
why did we give her a job?
I don't know. No, listen, I was calling over to Jamaica, okay?
Jamaica? What? Come on, reset. Let's go. All right, go, Laura, go.
So I did call over to Jamaica. There's a story that's going viral right now. St. Andrew's High School for Girls over in Jamaica.
Me could have tell you. I'm tell you, so I'm not listening to the story yet. I'm tell you something that 2 man them find it. She.
Amrock, welcome to the 20th century. Hey, what am I tell you something? Me not like it. So, one school in Jamaica ban edges business where the girl them a pierce down ear on the front of their head and I talk about baby ear. Me not like you with the big girl, them big old woman them. Me not go like it for my daughter.
Oh, baby ear business. Like
yeah. If a baby ear, make it be baby ear from the baby.
You not like so then curl up it?
No, me not like it. Me do like it. Eh?
You really not like it too?
No, me not like it.
Eh?
No, me not like it.
Yo, well, we tell you this. I don't know about somebody, but we can tell a female who likes about them. You know? You see, when an Indian girl, because Indian girl have a whole party here, you know. All for them like sideburns, like but on a sideburns. I just try Indian and grow here faster. You see, when them fix up here and curl up here, it look good, man. We love when female do it. That's when it falls here, it kind of look too extreme sometimes, because it's too perfect. One I saw, and the next one I said size, and the other one I said size, it's too perfect.
I'm a vibe, number the 5, living for life. Living the ride, like a bike. But that's I'm stuck in it, I'm white. I'm a moon rock up in the skies. Cloud 9, get the eye, I'm gonna put up on the fly. Get it rooted, take up near time. Not much time, this.
Otherwise, me not have a problem with it.
Me not like it. I'm telling you, me personally not like it for my girl. Me not like it for the big one them. It just out on a generation.
Big God man, you don't want to see big
man. I don't want to see that.
You don't want to see big one that big man and
daughter,
young people.
She shall not be going to do. You don't need to so pretty. It's alright. Prettiness not up on the agenda yet for you. Just go on naturally. If you're blessed, you're blessed. You don't prettiness not up on the agenda. You don't need to do that. For me, woman, me not like it. Take up, sticky wicky. I don't know. Read this me I talk about. For your forehead, Zin, yeah. Come my catty do it. My catty have natural hair now. That a difference. Me not like you know. Your natural hair, beautiful. She don't need to do none of the thing. You see what I say? Yeah.
Yeah, me have a feeling why they do it. It's when they catch up their hair, them part that can't catch up because unless they just go brush it down. So if you hold it, them have to continue brush it down. If they use gel or something and paste it down, it has stay there so. Even if breeze blow it, it stay there in a one perfect shape. Me love see, hey, me did have one girlfriend when me was smaller, and she used to do it. We did love see it. So that's why we can't deny right now.
But then what happen? Tomorrow you have to go do it again. And then what? You start white up, cake up, you have to wash it, comb out. So you can do it again.
What do you mean wash it, cake up, comb out? I don't know why girl them used to do it. But me I tell you, it's all a school. It's all a school. It's all a school. You see them see now, you see when I'm morning, so in the evening when I see them I go home. A different curl up man. They do it. They do it over. Daddy.
I think the school girl them when they used to use ear oil, but now you have gel.
Gel they used to
use. But now you have some different type of gel with like designed for that. You see me I say so
we keep it there.
Yeah, so it's like, and that the gel then after a time white up all the hair. I know some guy here just a man and the cat do it. So that big up yourself. You see me I say, by the time I go sub up some mama part me here and I see him gel. Daddy one me say, me ear set the same way for nearly 3 days.
Stiff.
And me have ear will fly that. Me will do me ear no.
But me usually have something like that to be a grow as I go tell you now me buy it and you spritz. You just spray per ear does get stiff.
Brother, I don't know what this is, but it's sorcery. You see me? So, I could get the story. Shame on you, Jamaica, coming into the story.
They ban it in school. I hear me say. We feel like everything when not ban in school, cultural wise. Like you see a youth who left on Yaad when father a Rasta and thing and him a growing here from day one. And him a wearing tam and thing, turban or whatever. Don't feel like you should have banned tribe on that. That's a cultural. You get me I say? Is anything where does for prettiness? Like the way as youth. It did bore my ears. I mean no we ban at school, me no ban. We just not wear that in school.
It ain't necessary.
It's not necessary. So I mean that a prettiness. So if I but you me feel say we cut it far though. When it comes to uniform itself, see in Jamaica, I feel say we make it hard for parents by specializing say a youth who wear a brown shoes from a black shoes. Me understand say go with the uniform, you know. And you teach you them something, you know. See? So me can understand the way where it come from.
Yeah.
But it pressure parents. Because I remember me I go to school and they get a black shoes and I couldn't wear it. Me wear it, you know, but it cause problem. Until the teacher them realize that me not gonna stop wearing it. So them have to just give me okay. That's it. Although I did me a bad fitness.
People in unruly, me not listen to my Rasta Jad. Yo, you hear me I say you have to get brown shoes. If you know I say brown shoes I forget. If somebody will send the shoes come here from foreign, you have to tell them say brown shoes if you send next time. Mommy, if you go try to trade this brown shoes for one black shoes, we don't pick me with
that. Because I mean,
no excuse. Unruly,
I mean, I go say to you, say, well, I know. What about the youth way? I am brother get 2 shoes and a pass on one.
No, because I saw our time
so
grow.
you say if you trade the team.
I saw our time grow.
So you say if you trade the team. No, me
try do something. Don't send the child.
No, when me feel say for you.
Bad bro.
When me feel say for you, right?
Come on, tell teacher say miss me no, you know.
When me feel say for you, me in this case. It's just a simple phone call. If we're going to left it as the rule, because I have no problem with the rule, that's why I explain it away there. So you got to teach the youth them a thing. So if you become a police, uniform with them gear, you have to wear that, bro. So me understand where you rule for. So me saying that this case, like where the youth brother get 2 shoes and a pass on one.
Yeah.
If it's a simple phone call need to make like a correspond with the principal and them just agree to it for the company parents. And the company parents, whether you make one style or not, for the company parents, make him wear the shoes. Don't try lock him out.
No, but what I say is, let me tell you, you ever hear say good have suffer for bad. Because chances can't really give. Because what you know, who's to say if they give the chance, right? Yeah. It would have come with a contingent say, you're going to get the shoes by X time, right?
No, the next year or the next term.
The next year or the next term.
Yeah.
So we are losing up the floodgates for every other student.
No, but well, I look you know, me understand that you not all that. What the man say is, even all right, Carly say
you have to be faster than
well, I know Carly say a fox the truth. Say he doesn't have a brown shoes. Now you say good have suffer for bad. You keep the youth out of the educational system because I want shoes color.
You keep the youth out of the education.
No, it cannot be you.
Yeah.
So well, you tell me say you don't really know say no parents in Jamaica that we can afford shoes and then get one from somebody wear black. And then have a next objective. You say alright, wear slippers or wear, then doesn't have a next angle. So in that case, you keep. So how do me you keep him out of school?
Take some responsibility.
How do me?
Take some responsibility. That means it.
Take some responsibility.
Take
if you
some
just can't send you to school.
Eh?
You just can't send you to school.
What options you tried? Like when me say look why to go try swap the shoes. What options you tried as a parent?
No, I not say options to try. Well, I know because we don't want to go down in debate for God. But me I say alright. You remember a video show on news where them go one yard, one woman have 5 people, and the woman I say a flour she cook at daytime and fry up the aisle with the seasoning, and they would eat it.
Today we visited a mother of 9 living in some dire conditions in deep rural Jamaica and is in need of some assistance. She loves her children dearly, but cannot give them the care that they so richly deserve.
So Nancy, how are you surviving?
Okay, I burn coal and like sometimes I get 1 and 2 days work. As to know in the COVID time, you know, hardly get work, you know, people skeptic and all those things and don't want to catch COVID and those things.
Yeah,
so it's hard on me. But I try my best to burn a coal skill. And I get 60 bag and put it at the roadside. And imagine the thief all 60 bag because I'm a lady. Yeah, by the time I go back for go sell it, then steal it. My father died when I was 10 years old. And I'm the one who used to look after my father because my father's crippled on bed for 3 years.
Yeah.
My mother was an alcoholic, so we have no one to take care of us. And I would never like my kids them to come out like me because I don't enter school.
Okay.
I go to school for 1 week and I have to stop.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I have to stay with my father. Because I'm the one who chose to stay with my father. My father's crippled on bed for 3 years. So imagine a little baby taking care of his father.
At that year,
yes,
10-year-old?
Yeah, My father's crippled for 3 years, so I was 7 years old when I started to stay with my father. I didn't go to basic school, nothing. The rest of them go to school. I did not go.
Oh, wow.
Because me have to stay with my father, because my mother was an alcoholic. And my father died when I was 10 years old. 10 years old, I still not go back to school. I have to wait until Cane Peace and Albo to work. So I wouldn't like my kids them to come up and don't have no education like me. So anybody out there seeing this video, I'm gonna ask them, God would bless them. And restore blessing on them to give us some assistance. I know some people out there will say, why she have so many kids? Sometimes you don't understand. You see this man come along and he's saying we'll treat you good and you're getting good until you get pregnant. I'm a mother who could never take contraceptive. Everyone me try. It didn't work on me. These kids are blessed and I would never throw away one. Because one of these could be a police, a soldier, whatsoever. Because they have good potential.
Right.
You know? So give thanks to God we can bring them on the earth. I'm just asking for assistance.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And you're going to get the assistant, Nancy, no worry.
And thank you very much.
Yes, man.
The Lord will bless you and keep you.
Yeah, see people them in there, them go to school, said we should try our best to send the whole of them to school. Situations like that, nothing in Jamaica said we, bro. I tell you. So I say, in a cases like that, where it can be proven, now stop the youth from school.
In a cases like that are case there, but all
where
right.
It can be proven, that's why I say communication from the mother to the school. So once the communication they happen, stop the youth.
All right, what you know? Because perhaps in miss what me say no, it have to be on a contingent. The contingent to me use was, or maybe a contingent, the wrong word, me follow it up. But what me use is you have to have one class night where I tell me say, yo, me I go allow the shows because of this until such time, or because of this. See, so it's either. I have to have a solid reason. And you cannot
but you still give a chance as well as if you open the floodgate, you understand that.
You see me? So what you know now? If we see that this is a situation for real.
And the situation change.
Well, I know. If we see that this is a situation for real, at that point, you don't think good God, man, I want to teach them, somebody on the school board or the principal herself would buy one shoes for you.
No, I'm not feel every school at all. I'm not feel every school at all.
And every school at all. But how much cases are that happen at school?
Enough.
Not so much where principal can take one paycheck.
No, what I mean say principal I buy back his shoes for show. They will not know that. Remember, so we go to school and see that, when even the principal I did, the vice principal alone.
Yeah, that may I say that somebody did it. Bro, if the situation is really that they don't know, bro, I may I say, so what you know, there is no reason for wear the uniform, right?
You don't know you back then, where I get stopped out of school for a reason where you know, say that. I don't see him can do no better, you know?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Not at all, no.
Me no know them could do no better. Them boy, they was just drunk crows like myself.
No, well, I got me tell you, say, me have friends up till the day, where me tell you, say, grandmother in use, and basically, him and grandmother help. So, in the day when I see no come to school, and grandmother and care go to hospital or something.
Yeah, let me ask you one question. You know, have youths who are worse than them, where them people still do the utmost best to make sure say a uniform. Then they are school with one bag and book. It must be a new bag, it must be new uniform.
What you mean?
It must be new shoes.
What you mean? They look for my head.
And comply with the blood clean uniform.
Yeah, look for my head.
So, I said, no excuses, man.
No excuses if you can do that at some point, man.
No. Leeway did it, But as I said, it's funny contingents like them.
But in this case, I don't feel like no excuse for it. Because it's just
it
does simple up the parents to make it pick to them and say, yeah, hear me?
Stop with that shit. Because that's more money for all my money. Although I your money now I use it, but that's still my money.
But you go have big people where I go after, at least from a year first, because I'm in a year yet. The dog after this, that old man I find a story. And the man them no busy fuck boy.
We don't give a shit.
Every man me know in Jamaica, I gonna tell them girl people say, yeah, hear me? I say?
Yeah. Cut that shit out.
Is a school that has posted online that the girls coming into their school are not allowed to wear their edges laid. So the post says, reminder students, please be advised that the wearing of edges is now officially banned on campus. Remember, curtains belong in the house, not on foreheads. With the sweating emoji.
Now, what's the science behind this, Lord? Like, what is the reason why?
Hey, listen now, Jamaica on the bus. As me explained to you all the while, Jamaica is a brand. That is the whole reason why some country would want just do what they want to do with it. You see me I say, a million country out there, million territories, you think a joke? Me and this man I put up the last video, you see? And the last video banned in 242 territories. A world night we are trying to fix it.
Hey, I hear me say.
No.
Everybody, and that's why I know say America for real, you know.
Hey.
And then you Dave Chappelle say, the whole country have become some bitch ass niggas.
Bitch ass niggas, bro.
Because watch this now. If you don't ever know what we go through when we are go to school in a might be, hey, you want to know about one principal from Garvey Maceo, Forrester. It's a female. Let me tell you this. You say Forrester main objective then time they say, boy pick them to stop with your kerchief and hang out of them pocket.
Yeah. So I'm still swag my kerchief.
We used to do it so because we tie one bump on the night and shot people with it. You see Forrester see a kerchief, it's not a fear no more. You see bigger man them, they start with sideburns.
Yeah.
Forrester have barb and shear in high school. Boy, if you see it with it, then I get put off. Listen me, man.
You myself is Forrester if you're not gone.
You see girl picnic come to school in time with skirt short.
Yeah.
Because you see, when they usually do it first, you know, dry up. So it look short, you can get there above their knee. So when teacher attack them, then kind of dry down. But they start make it short now. You know your Forrester though? Walk around with razor and money other teacher them. And cut out the foot. I must say every skirt uniform is up, you know. And then cut out the foot to get long. They time in a school, you're on the right, your right's left out the gate.
Hey, listen to the man. Them people are never hear what teacher talk to students so yet. And they, Americans them, that is a little piece of Jamaica, brother. And your black grandma have to talk to you so if you have one in the house. You see me I say, I just want a little taste of Jamaica that curtains belong in your house, not on your foreheads. Your bumper club doesn't say that, damn. You know, first I hear that one day. You really make that now an official statement. Shit.
On the website?
Shit.
You know, only make it as the, you know, so you make it as the teacher where guys school, you know.
As the
You
principal.
make it as the school. So it simply means that school rules this and one person.
Why, brother? I say it. This, what are we agree
What are we
this?
agree for this?
Read the video. Oh my God.
The reason.
Does it block your knowledge? Does it come in? The curtains blocks your brain? Like, what's the problem?
Well, they say that they want to keep they want their girls to keep their looks neat and school ready. Now, when I called over,
don't look neat. Not yours, other people's.
I know you're not talking about mine. Maybe they felt like the girls were overdoing it a bit. I don't know, but when I came over, they told me I had to talk to the principal, but the principal was preparing for a presentation right now. Wouldn't get on the phone with me. The only thing I did find out was
I can't believe you even called Jamaica this time in the morning. But go ahead.
It's school. This morning. They're starting school.
But now when you put it like that, I guess they want everything to be uniform. Just like in some schools, boys can't have facial hair. They can't have mustaches. They can't have any type of facial hair. It's not allowed. I guess it's kind of like that.
In high school? I don't blame them for that. Now, what the hell you got all that facial hair for in
high school? You're not allowed to have a mustache in some schools.
And that's St. Andrew's High, right? That's the name of the high school?
Yes, it is called. Yeah, it's St. Andrew's High School for Girls. That is the name of the school.
Salute.
The inner face are like something like a mustache, like facial hair. At the end of the day, what a teacher them should have suggest and just be properly groomed. Because we know
that me believe
some picnic
that me
mature fast and some.
Yeah.
And there is a problem when you go for shave off the whole hair off your face.
Listen, man. I believe that, you know, but listen what I go to back now. Opening the floodgates, dog. Yes. You see, if we make an exception for one, the unruly bunch of go in there. Where you are going to use that now and tell me, say, well, miss, me not have no money for you grow me up every day or every 3 days. You know what I say? Someone will eventually want wear them thing bushy and all that.
No, yeah, where you can't go eventually use that. Facial hair would have be same thing like your hair on your head. And going to school with a hair on your head looking like that is not acceptable, and we know that. So you need to get accepted like that. So leaving it, your facial hair, if you grow at a point, you need to get accepted.
But it grow more visible.
No, what I say is looking at what I say grooming, and I only mean by say shave it down flat or you understand me I say? I mean a specific, like for example, then to say you fully grow out, right? Your hair and whatever, sideburns or whatever. You're not supposed to, if you can tell me, say, what you know, me have to trim off his side and left only beard or so, or left only so. I cut off the whole light. Because
the whole light just need to properly groom.
Yeah, just properly groom. Because watch out, it can affect a person. You know, so when a person shave off a beard, go way down, go, some people affect them. We didn't grow in here. You know that?
Yeah, I know that.
It's like we say, in that case, you that damage a person health just to confirm. I say that don't make no sense to me. You know, it does not make no sense to me.
People, this a boy a teacher, I used to have a problem with him and I see him. But me, if my principal shave it,
then you're gonna damage me health. You're gonna damage me health just to confirm.
Dead. Go on next school, transfer.
Alright, wait, look here, what may I say? You know
transfer.
You notice in the American school them where we would I say like a leeway with them getting close.
You know them are idiot too.
No, me understand why you happen. Jamaica now the climate where they have. So you couldn't specifically tell the people them in a one freezing climate so they have to wear that type of uniform there.
Of course they do that.
No, well I know in every school.
Private school does that.
Yeah, but me I say every school. For example, if you have to wear like one
I said there's an exception to what you say right now, so use the exception while they are giving me a presentation.
What? To say
the private school them you see because they say I don't like you can't tell.
No, but yeah, alright, look here at one private school in a one place like Alaska. Would I never go make one uniform where girls have to wear short skirt and knowing that say we have all around 6 months. What a snow. You pity them go and come to school.
Yeah,
so if I say that name, that make no sense.
No, in Alaska.
Then the place not for school.
Just say place where cool.
The place where cool the most. No, I know Alaska the place have school same way. So I say the place where cool the most. So you have 6 months with a snow.
Yeah.
Making a uniform with the girl them have to wear skirt. Would that make no sense? Because you know say wearing skirt 6 months with a so me understand why them do for them parts. So me not say that same thing Jamaica fi go through. See it? But me I say is studies in a them part there where you them him still a where me I say them a develop them. But I like to know if I study did they where it development. You understand me I say with them and them so it don't make no difference. Are the reaction. Because I know why teacher them do the thing, you know. The girl pity them continuously do the thing there and the boy pity them wear ears and sing until they just feel like it's too big. So you are back inside teacher them and all the thing there. That's it.
Feel yourself too much.
So we say boy if we study the way it does not matter.
Where sure say, like what Charlamagne I say, it curtains block off the information for your brain.
Yeah.
No fuck study not did that, but here we go. Boys to be boys until they're men and girls to be girls until they're women, because here we go. Start from the household, you them teach it at school, you come back and practice it at household. So parents are gonna end up getting shitty and mama will start telling us that she don't want to wear this because it's too long. See?
Yeah, man.
But you don't know, make she wear edges so she don't feel like she a big woman. Because guess what? You sit down in the mirror put on edges too.
I fall the eyelashes.
Listen, man. I could hear if no more they two dog themselves before we go to the next story.
Nicole. Salute to Nicole White. It's a good friend of ours. That's her alma mater.
Okay.
I just found out because I saw a comment she left in Shade Room.
No.
They what they told me though was that because I asked, well, what happens if the girls lay their edges and come to school despite your posting? They said that detention is the result.
Yeah, they learn half away.
Bro.
Then she say, yo, you see them boy at them pit there. We did kind of give them little leeway and you see them get out and you see next set.
Yeah.
Watch for them. They not get an inch.
You're mad. Bro.
When we say 7:30 at the devotion, it reach 7:35 you see.
Damn, I wonder if I trick them people a trick way. Zane, because we can guarantee and I'm my honest Maddy hear this. But every year, at least 2 or 3 devotion. Some teacher, some VP, some grade coordinator, some guidance counselor, some vice principal, some principal supposed to contact you and say this is the worst set of whatever grade you are in at the moment that they've ever seen. Dog, me I hear that from grade 9. Say this is the worst set of grade 9 students we ever yet.
The
worst set of grade 10 students we ever have.
You hear that throughout the
Worst
whole
set of-
school term until you graduate. And when everybody up on the picture now, y'all go back to school, you hear everybody tell you, say, man, you guys were the best. And I'm tell the other student now, they say, you see these guys?
Then I said, yeah.
These guys were the best students.
And the teacher them, I tell you, say, oh, set of young girl, them a bunch of. Yeah, man. So, people, then, fix the problem. Because we don't have a problem. Fix the problem. People stop making people them wear edges. Don't tattoo, no. Yeah, move on.
Yeah, conform to the uniform. That is it. Me believe say if that a part-time matrix, at the end of the day you can work with it. Because it teach you, like when military would have say teach you, discipline.
Remember, you can't go against the matrix, you know. You have to use the matrix.
You know what I mean? What discipline
so you need to know
teach you?
them rules same way.
You see, at the end of the day, when we used to go to school, we used to try wear all of my shoes, them and gears will match me. Like a goat, me I go. Me have one white shoes, but me have one suit of khaki where basically look white. The time me I put on a suit there, I white shoes me want wear. And Tamil figure. So me understand what teacher them do. It basically just like when I say about police and the soldier. You have to conform to the uniform at the end of the day.
Society.
So you teach you from now.
Society, man. Hey, me have something more just people. Just give me a second. One look on you go up at one place there, carry some liquor, come give me my baby mother. I want you to know. She told you that she don't like her last one taste. Like the detector said. That was a lie.
Kiss me, rascal. Me I tell you wickedness can't done.
See that? see them friend rub pub up. You see me I say?
No, don't make it
yeah. Yo, show the people them the rub. Show the people them.
That's what me abi.
No.
You might pimp out.
See me a rum. Me have.
See that?
Spice rum. Hey, watch out, Jamaica Lion. I saw them people. I saw their name. Royal Jamaica.
When this man say this them buckle, I wanna say about you.
My buckle that when Kirk go give you look a female. Hey man, I'm married man. You hear me I say now? So with no confusion, I try to teach my Cathy the importance of networking so she can break out of the matrix. As we intend to do. You see what I say? So if she asks for your number, man, I know nothing funny, probably will never use it until we're ready for business. You see it? But you rum, we're there. I go test it and tell you what time it is. Same way. We appreciate it.
Complain and I quiet bossy.
Yeah? Complain.
Someone complain and I quiet.
I save him saying wife no beat him. Me say I save him saying wife no beat him. You see? Yeah. And you no get no confusion, so me no beat him. You see?
Yeah,
me I say. Yeah man. But watch out, you send one cup too. You have to go send 2 more. Come tell this one, I'm not like you. He cut them body of fret and he's an idiot to tell me about it. So he want one now. You see me? Probably silver.
Go buy for me though.
And get what? You can buy yours and get Royal Jamaican alcoholic ginger beer from it.
The cup bad.
Oh, idiot!
He cup, I think, what them call it? Copper. Supposed to copper one of these.
No material, but just put the ice in there when the video start, people. Watch ya.
Cool.
Frosty. But here me I say no man. You liquor go on to. You tell us I don't drink it with boom. I only thing we drink everything with. You will see it in the morning if we have a liquor in a plastic cup, you think about that rubber boom band there. You know what I say? How we hear see a boom? How we boom and boom? How we come see a boom? Yeah, but a boom. So you see me, I don't know no plan for drinking with people, but it's booming.
I may say mark 40% alcohol.
Yeah, you know so. You know so strong. But maybe a creep. We will tell you in the next couple of minutes. You see me? And they have one rum cream. The buckle bad.
Yeah,
buckle different.
You could have gone to rum cream. Yeah, is good.
Rum cream. Something about it. You have one acquired taste about it. That they think I toasted coconut and see them put on it.
At that time, the cream not too thick.
Yeah.
It does light.
Light. You don't know what's it? I got some boobs so I shake it and splash. I mean, I say, wait, after rum cream, just, you know? Yeah, it just
coconut flavor
smooth.
Bad, you know?
Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. I don't know the brand. And big up yourself. I don't know the man. But you know what time it is? Critical thinking time.
Yes, surgical.
I want thing though. I don't know about you, but the rum I push on heat. Too much you say about 40%? Hey, and the buckle, but hey, I be a bad buckle then have no. Hey, me say, you see rum cream buckle? Bad. Yeah man, we know a secret still, but it bad. You see me I say, and this I have one like on lion head night. You see him lion head, huh?
You know, say if we really take a look at
it. Jamaica, lion. Hey, I want things still there, but tell about the lion head, we can't tell about the lion head. That bad. It's bad. That's tough. That's tough.
They use trick way.
Why buckle?
The lion head. I give the buckle more weight.
More weight.
So you feel like enough in it.
No man, see because inside it's smooth, brother. So you and I like
believe what me I say, you see rum cream, show teeth and the thing can
see
up.
Yo.
The lion head funny, make you buckle heavy like hey, see you fling the buckle and I want dance, somebody dead. If you fling the buckle and I want dance.
And I right way that for promoting about.
So no, hey, for real still, you know. Cause no, Sting not still a keep. Sting not keep again.
No, sure. No, them just sitting there done.
Sting not keep
again. Sorry about that.
But then the fling buckle follow the arrow too.
Hey, boom. In case you never remember we need a case.
All this too.
No, I'm serious. I'm more this one.
How you do? You want some of that?
Oh.
Taste like it too light.
Like it light?
Like a gas, like a bike before throw it.
Then them thing then not dog. If you not move and you throw this in your cup, you're not supposed to. And this is the goal one.
Yo, when a person can move, one part of time can still run. Yeah? Remember?
Right, then belly.
You're supposed to know. You're supposed to know about it.
Yo, people, you know so far. Not even worm them not go rugo. You see me? You can't feel him belly till it's too late now. You can't feel man. We soon do a video on Jay-Z them still now, cause them and the underrated, you know. We soon do a video on Junior Gang, cause them and the underrated. But I say you see music video them people would have want to give no more, you know, but hey, copyright and that was kid man.
Yes, YouTube and Vivo.
Whoa. Copyright and that was skin. But for now, people, stay safe. Gonna see it. I hear me as a man.
Yeah. Until we can reach out to the artist, them and they reply back to we and say what you know here when we can review the music or whatever. Yeah, man, we get full music review.
Yeah, man.
With full respect for everybody who joined the video them and like the video them.
Same way.
Comment and said, you know.
Yeah, man, and run up a subscription. You see me I say, love boy, watch hours I go on a key and just tell a friend to tell a friend.
876 critical thinking. Big up yourself. Then the big up baddest thing. Break it.